She shells on the seashore. She shells, I am sure. For if she sells on the seashore, then I am sure she sure shall. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would as much as he could and check as much wood as a woodchuck would I if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled pepper Peter Piper picked?